All right, now let's use differentials to approximate the square root of 9.01. So here's the differential formula. And what we're going to do is, first of all, figure out what's our function f of x, what's our increment dx, and what's our x value. Well, our function is going to be square root x. Our x value, our known value, is 9. We know what the square root of 9 is. And our jump is 0.01. That's our dx. Our x jump is 0.01. To use the differential formula, we need to figure out f prime of x. So f prime of x is equal to 1 over 2 square root of x. Just write this as x to the 1/2 and use the power rule, and you can easily figure out the derivative. Okay, so let's just substitute into the formula now. So we have f of x plus dx, that's 9 plus 0.01, is approximately equal to f of x. So that's f of x is square root of 9 plus f prime of x, 1 over 2 square root 9 dx. dx is 0.01. All right, so just figure this all out. So that would be 3 plus 1/6 times 0.01. That's 3 plus, then 1/6 is approximately 0.167 times 0.01. So that's 3 plus 0.00167, or 3.00167. So that's our approximation for square root of 9.01. Now use your calculator and just punch in 9.01 and take the square root, and you see that you get something very, very close to what we got here. All right, number 2, again, we're going to approximate cubed root of 7.9 using differentials. So let's write down our little differential formula. F of x plus dx is approximately equal to f of x plus f prime of x dx. Okay, so what's our function? Well, our function this time is cube root x. Our known value is going to be 8, because we do know what the cube root of 8 is, and that's very close to 7.9. 8 is close to 7.9. And let's see, our increment dx this time is going to be negative 0.1. Okay, because 7.9 is less than 8, so we're going down to get to that value. Okay, now let's take f prime of x. This is x to the 1/3, so that would be 1/3. X to the 1/3 minus 3/3, that's minus 2/3. So there's f prime of x. All right, and now let's just substitute into our formula here, and we have f of 8 minus 0.1. Okay, that's our 7.9. Is approximately equal to f of x, that's the cube root of 8, plus f prime of 8. That would be 1 over 3, 8 to the 2/3, times dx, times negative 0.1. All right, so let's just figure that out. So here we have 2 plus 1 over 3 times the cube root of 8 is 2, squared is 4. We have 3 times 4 here, times minus 0.1. Okay, if we just work that out, we have 2 minus 0.0083 approximately, which comes to 1.9917. And again, if we take the cube root of 7.9 using our calculator, you'll see that we get something very, very close.